Hi, and welcome back to Adventures with Piccadilly. Today is my most favoriteest day of the week. It is Farm Box unboxing day, and I'm so glad to be able to share it with all of you. Let's check it out. First, we got eggs. I love that we're getting our eggs from the Farm Box now. They are delicious, such a wonderful flavor, and just like, and so easy. I love that they just magically appear at my house. Garlic, onions, can never get enough onions, certainly not in my family, cause we eat them with every meal. All right, I'm gonna stop singing now. I'm just being weird. Tomatoes, another great thing for us as like a staple item. We eat tomatoes super on the reg. We put them in sandwiches or make salads, or we cook them down in our curries or any kind of stew that we make. So lots of tomatoes get consumed here. Plums. I actually really like plums. I never ate plums before Piccadilly kind of introduced me to them. We weren't a huge fruit family growing up, but I'm so glad now because I love them. Pears, we have red and green. I like a mix, so that's great. The boys really like the yellow ones. I like it all, honestly. Green lettuce. Again, I love it when they send fresh lettuce. It really kind of makes my wraps and salads to have that fresh lettuce right in my own, or from my own Farm Box. Almost like I grew it myself, except I don't. Coffee. This is Backyard Brew, and I always let them do roaster's choice, which means we get a little bit something different every time, which I love. This is Deja Vu, which is Brazil and Ethiopia. It was fresh roasted for me on Tuesday. Fresh roasted for me on Tuesday. Today is now Thursday. And I just love that that's available for us. Zucchini. There's a lot of zucchini in there. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with all that zucchini. Maybe make zucchini bread or something. Have an avocado. Lots and lots of apples. As I've said in the past, I love all the grab and go fruit that they send in this box. It's perfect because I just set it up in that middle drawer in my fridge, and my kids can grab a piece whenever they want. It's so much better than them grabbing a cookie or, as it's currently Halloween time, Halloween candy. And just dropped one. I'm pretty sure these are acorn squash. I will look it up. And this is our Farm Box bounty from Farm Fresh Carolinas. Love it all so much. Continue to check out the channel. We will be using almost all of this either just to straight up eat it or in recipes that we'll share later on. Like and subscribe. Drop some of your favorite recipes in the comments, especially for zucchini. That is a ton of zucchini. I don't know what we're gonna do with it all. So if you have a favorite zucchini recipe, please share it down below. Thanks, and we'll see you next week.